Hey guys, so finally we got two more houses that now complete the overall Halloween Horror Nights lineup. We have the Terror Tram, the Exterminators, whose house is solely run through terror by the Exterminators storyline. My hope is that attraction would be run as an actual terror tram rather than the practice of getting in the tram and then being dropped off to where you walk in the scare zone with scare actors. Unfortunately, it probably won't happen anytime soon. Next, for the exciting part. We now have Evil Dead Rises for Halloween Horror Nights this year. The Evil Dead Rises is based upon the film of the same title, which has been released in April 2023, and it takes place in a Los Angeles apartment, a very fitting setting for Universal Studios Hollywood. We also have the new house called Monstrous, the Monsters of Latin America, which is about the most terrifying ghosts and creatures from Latin American folklore. It seems a bit familiar to the La Llorona, the weeping woman we had before. That's all I have to say. I'm so excited for this, you guys. This will be an amazing year, and we're a month away from hosting the most exciting event ever and ever before. See you at Halloween Horror Nights this year.
Stop the tram!
Oh, we're just getting started. You'll be dropping like flies. Terror Tram, the Exterminators. Only at Universal's Halloween Horror Nights.